Making your best omelet. Ingredients: 3 large eggs, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of butter. Optional fillings such as cheese, diced ham, diced vegetables, etc. Instructions: 1. Crack the eggs into a small bowl and whisk them together until the whites and yolks are fully combined. 2. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to the eggs and mix again. 3. Melt the butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. 4. Pour the egg mixture into the pan and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. 5. If you're using any fillings, add them to one side of the omelet at this point. 6. Use a spatula to gently fold the omelet in half, covering the fillings. 7. Let the omelet cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, or until the eggs are set and the fillings are heated through. 8. Slide the omelet onto a plate and serve hot. Enjoy your delicious and easy omelet.